try out to see if mindfulness is for them. And I hope somebody, whether it's through meditation, which is my favorite way to practice mindfulness, or whether it's through taking mindful walks, or just kind of doing body scans and breathing exercises to help you just be in here now. And it's not about at all toxic positivity, because you can't love and light your way out of everything, and I think that's important to emphasize, but it is about doing what you can to be aware. And it's helped me come from here to here sometimes, and that's actually been really valuable, even though it doesn't seem like the biggest difference on paper.
So I think certainly and a lot of lessons that Yoda is trying to impart on in The Empire Strikes Back. You used a lot of quotes. There's a lot of really great illustrations in this book, but you also just have a lot of those kind of core principles of trying to keep your mind in the here and now, not in the future, not always gazing off at the horizon, things of that stuff.
I learned a lot I channeled a lot of my inner Qui-Gon today. Because that moment when he drops down, and he's battling Darth Maul, I always think of that. And it was such
Don't know what to do about the phone.
Closing your eyes, I don't know. Maybe you should just keep. But when he pauses and I'm like, that is kind of mindfulness in a nutshell. So thank you, Star Wars.
Ooh, kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty.
Everybody can benefit from thinking about mindfulness and how it's